Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to cut back on sugar but still satisfy your sweet tooth, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into sugar alternatives, what's truly healthy, and what to avoid. So, let's get started. Let's face it, sugar is delicious, but too much can lead to health issues like weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. That's why more and more people are turning to sugar substitutes. But not all sugar alternatives are created equal, so it's important to choose the right one. The popular sugar alternative first up is stevia. This one's a favorite because it's plant-based, 0 calories, and doesn't spike your blood sugar. It's a great choice for anyone looking to reduce sugar intake, while still enjoying sweetness. Plus, it's been linked to some health benefits like improving insulin sensitivity. Erythritol. Next, we have erythritol. It's a sugar alcohol that is low in calories and dosed to raise blood sugar. While it's safe for most people, consuming too much can cause digestive discomfort. But in moderation, it's one of the best sugar substitutes out there. Monk fruit. Monk fruit is another natural 0-calorie sweetener. It's derived from a fruit and doesn't affect your blood sugar, making it a safe option for diabetics. It's also antioxidant rich, which is a nice bonus. Xylitol is also a sugar alcohol, and it has fewer calories than regular sugar. It's commonly used in gum and toothpaste because it can help fight cavities. But just like erythritol, too much can upset your stomach. Agave syrup is often marketed as a healthier option because it has a lower glycemic index. However, it's very high in fructose, which can cause issues for your liver in large quantities, so it's better to use it sparingly. Honey is natural, but it still contains sugar. While it does have antioxidants and some beneficial properties, it's still high in calories and can impact your blood sugar levels, so use it in moderation. What to avoid? Now, not all sugar substitutes are healthy. Here's a quick list of those you might want to steer clear of. Aspartame. Aspartame is an artificial sweetener that's been linked to potential health risks like headaches and even cancer in some studies, though the evidence is mixed. Still, if you're looking for something more natural, it's better to skip it. Sucralose. Sucralose is another artificial sweetener that's widely used, but it may interfere with gut health and alter your body's response to glucose. It's best to avoid it if you can. It's the best option. So, which sugar alternative is the healthiest? In my opinion, stevia and monk fruit are your best bets. They're natural, low-calorie, and have little to no impact on blood sugar. However, always remember to check labels and use any sweetener in moderation. That's a wrap on today's video. Which sugar alternative is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on living healthier. Until next time, stay sweet, just not too sweet.